Okay, so we have this diaper. It's just a liner. They're just called liners. And it's got this kind of like plastic thing. It's not plastic, but it keeps it peeing at night. So we use these ones at night. And we have two sizes. This one's for like up to 9 pounds. And it's for newborns. And this one's like up to 20 pounds, I think. But you can see it's a lot bigger. And we have this one that you put inserts in here and you just button it up. And this one goes up to 3 years old. So you can even put newborns in this. You bring the buttons all the way up and makes it smaller. And these buttons make it tighter. So, and then we have our inserts. We have muslin that we take and we fold it up, fold it in half, and then you fold it in thirds. Okay, and then we take a microfiber cloth that you have to put it inside like this because it will dry out the baby skin. And we have just 2 little extra absorbent cloths. And then we fold this in half and makes a little sandwich. And at night, we have an extra cloth. And we paid a little bit more for this, but it's worth it. It works really good. It's just a topper. So you take this and put it under the lip. And then, like I said, for night, we put this right on top. And you just put it on the baby like that. And there's your little diaper, your little night diaper. And then with these ones, you take your sandwich of cloth and you put it in the diaper like that. And then you do your buttons however. But we also have this bamboo fiber. It's also biodegradable. And this is for poop. And you just put it on the top like that. It doesn't affect the baby at all. And that's it.